Tech tips brought to you by AAG. Today we're going to show you how to use loop components in Microsoft Teams. Loop components are modules within Teams that enable collaborative work. You can co-edit these with other users in the Teams chat where it is shared. This includes a bulleted list, a checklist, a numbered list, a paragraph, a table, a voting table, and a task list. Firstly, either create or go to the Teams chat with the people you would like to collaborate with, and in the message box, select the loop components icon. This pops up a list of available components. Choose a desired loop, and I'm going to choose a task list. The selected component is now inserted into your new message. Enter the content that you wish to put in. As you can see, you can assign tasks to people by @ing them in the Assign To section, and you can also set a due date for the task to be completed. Once done, click send, and now you and the others are able to add, remove and edit this loop component. You can also see who is viewing the loop, who has access to the loop, and you can also copy the component and resend it to either the same or another chat.